Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover stolen funds with Bank of America detailed guide step by step clearly. If you suspect your funds have been stolen from your Bank of America account, immediate action is crucial. First, gather all relevant information including transaction details, account numbers, and any suspicious communication. Next, log into your Bank of America online banking account. Navigate to the Help section on the website. Select Report Fraud or Dispute a Transaction. Follow the prompts to report unauthorized transactions. Make sure to provide as much detail as possible to assist with the investigation. Once your report is submitted, note any reference numbers provided. If necessary, call Bank of America's customer service directly at 1-800-432-1000. Explain the situation to the representative and follow their instructions carefully. They may require you to verify your identity or provide additional documentation. In some cases, you might need to complete a fraud affidavit. Be sure to check the status of your dispute regularly by logging into your account or contacting customer service. While the investigation is ongoing, consider monitoring your account frequently for any additional unauthorized transactions. It's also wise to change your online banking password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. If the stolen funds are not recovered within a reasonable time frame, inquire about further steps you can take. Remember to keep records of all interactions with the bank related to your case. Consider checking your credit report for any unusual activity as a precautionary measure. If necessary, report the theft to local authorities to create an official record. Stay in contact with the bank until your issue is fully resolved. By following these steps, you will increase your chances of recovering your stolen funds effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.